China's homegrown 4-engine large-size drone conducts maiden flight. A 4-engine large-size drone successfully conducted its maiden flight. The twin-tailed Scorpion D drone is independently developed by Chinese company. Its main features include larger space, bigger loading weight, a stronger power supply capacity, and higher system reliability. The new type aircraft is to serve multiple missions such as logistics, transport, and rescue operations. The drone was developed by Sichuan Dengdeng Sci-Tech Innovation Company. The twin-tailed Scorpion D successfully completed its first flight at an airport in Zhejiang, southwest China's Sichuan province on Tuesday. The long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle system with fixed wings and 4 engines is the first of its kind in the world. The aircraft will make its public debut at the Airshow China 2022, which will be held in November in Zhuhai, South China's Guangdong province, according to the press release. Thanks for watching the video.